We will log in into Teams with our credentials. If you don't have your credentials or you forget them, please contact me and I will be more than happy to provide them to you. Let's sign in. After you remove and install the latest version of Teams, the application will start syncing data to the server, and this will take a couple of minutes. Once we get to the work orders list, we can start doing our work. Before that, I recommend that we make sure that we have the latest version. For that, we go to the main menu, then go to settings, and here you can see the version name. As of now, the latest code is 274. If you are not there, I suggest that you uninstall your current application and reinstall it again. Let's go back to the list of our assigned work orders. Click on Open, and we have the list here. Open your work order and go to Tasks. You will receive a work order with only one task. Most probably, you will have to do the PM of several units. For that, please add one task per unit. To add a task, just click this button, Add Task, and it will take you to the New Task screen. Here, you can choose the equipment. Most probably, the equipment will not be listed here, so you have to create it. Click on New to create a new unit. Select the path. Select the equipment type. Enter the name, for instance, RTU1. Description is optional. I'm going to add it, the same. Then enter make, model, and serial number. You can add customer tag picture, you can add pictures of the asset, notes, etc. The more information you enter here is going to be better for future services and future PMs. Save this asset, and now we have the asset or the unit assigned to this task. Let's pick a task, and for this we're going to be selecting PM Inspection, description, and now that we have completed the basic fields of the task, we can save it, and now we have our task with the unit assigned to it. We repeat this process for each RTU unit that we will be servicing or doing PMs, or for any asset that we need to do a PM. When we have created our assets and our tasks, we can go back to each one of them. Scroll down to Forms, and at the end of this list, you will find the forms related to this PM. We have 6 Schedule 7 forms and 1 Schedule 4 form. The Schedule 4 is for RTUs. The Schedule 7 is for these other types of units. Complete the form related to the type of unit that you're servicing. For instance, walk-in cooler. When you select the form, the system will automatically complete the fields, make, model, and serial number. It will also add your name here. Just complete the fields that are empty. Regarding date and time, you click this button. You click the time when you started. Select the stop time. And then to complete the form, you just check mark every step that you have completed and enter any new notes that you find relevant. I'm going to do this for a few of these check marks. And I will scroll down all the way down to show you also that at the end of this form, you have the option to capture a picture for the tag of the unit. For instance, here. Okay. Let's pretend that we have completed this form, and I'm going to click on this icon here to save it. There are three options here: save draft, save as complete, and delete. When you click save draft, the form will be saved in your device only, and you can continue working on it as long as you need. Then you click save as complete. At that point, the form will be marked as completed, and the form will be sent to Teams servers along with the picture that you captured. From there, Teams will send it to the dispatcher in Corrigo, and you will be done with this form. Remember to enter your job description. When you enter the job description, you can type it or you can speak. Your phone will provide this mic here. When you click that mic, you can start speaking, and the system will capture all your information, period. Tap to pause. So you can speak or you can write. Save it. Let's say you have parts needed. For the parts needed, please select the parts needed button. Add the part you need. The system will automatically pick the asset that you are working on. Enter the part name, any brand, model, or serial number for this part, the quantity, some additional information if relevant, other information, complete it with more information about this part, other miscellaneous parts needed, equipment or tools you need, the estimated time to complete this task, let's say 1 hour. You can capture pictures here, and then you can save. You will have the option to enter as many parts as you need for this unit. You don't need to enter parts here and then go to the paperwork and do it by hand. Just do it here, and we will capture all this information and complete the follow-up form of the parts that you have added. Also, remember to enter the labor on site. It brings the job number, the start time, the duration, let's say 1 hour, save, and any note, and click save. Repeat this for every unit that you are inspecting today. As mentioned, please create one task per unit, and inside each task, pick or create the asset that you will be inspecting. At the end, just go back and go to your next work order. If you have finished with this work order, go to Finish, click on Save Job, and click Completed or Needs Attention, depending on the case. When you click Completed or Needs Attention, as you know, the work order will be taken from your device after a time. Now that you have finished your PM, you can move forward to your next one. At this point, if there are any questions, I will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you.